Hey everyone, welcome to Pottery Day. Today, I'll show you how to create a simple and beautiful clay gift or showpiece for home decor using mud clay or rock or clay multani meaty. If you want to learn how to process rockware or multani meaty into workable clay, check out the video link in the description or visit my channel. Now, let's get started. We'll be making a heart-shaped clay showpiece that's perfect as a DIY gift for your friends. It's super easy. Start by rolling out the clay evenly. Then use a cutter to make two heart shapes, one larger than the other, and make a rectangular piece to act as a support. Trim the bottom of the larger heart so the rectangular support can attach seamlessly. Add dotted patterns or lines where you'll join the pieces. It will make it easier to join. Apply slip to these areas, then join the parts carefully. Once assembled, trim the edges for a clean finish and let the piece dry. After it's dry, paint it. I'm using pink, blue, and black, but you can choose your favorite colors. Feel free to get creative with your colors. Let it dry completely, and voila, your handmade gift is ready. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help. That's all for today. Keep watching Pottery Day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pottery tutorials. See you in the next video.